Hi everyone, welcome to IFS Markets. I am Laura. Today is the 21st of May, which is a Friday. So just a friendly reminder that Saturday, Sunday, our market is closed and on Monday we'll be back on. Now, going into market buzz under universe, we'll be selecting currency, and the currency we'll be talking about today is the pound USD. We can see for the past 24 hours, there are 27 articles about it. Going in, select sentiment, we can see that people are feeling positive towards the currency, and the subjectivity is 42%, which means people are being rational. In trend analysis, we can see that the professionals at Trading Central are saying that it may rise by 1.40%. Going into the chart, we can see they're saying short term, the upside prevails. Again, this is a daily chart. We can see the current price is above the 20 days and 50 days moving average, and also on top of the Bollinger Band. Going down to the comment section, they're saying the RSI advocates for further upside. Below is a series of support and resistance level. Hope you like today's video. If you do, don't forget to press the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe our social media, YouTube and Facebook. Have a happy trading day. I'll see you next week. Bye.